So before I start off this video, I just want to mention this really quickly that this video was supposed to be posted like a while back when I purchased this guy. Obviously, I don't actually know, but I'm not really sure actually that if this is either the real deal or like an imitation or whatsoever, but I don't know if I would either get the package version or package variant of this guy or the one in its original packaging, but let's just find out once I spread on more details as we go on to this guy's review, which is in today's video I'll be featuring Team Clutch Shade. So this is also slightly one of a flashback or maybe like a blast from the past, maybe sort of video. So spoiler alert, once I get also my hands on the 2025 variants of Ernie Gearson slash like accurate version, okay, Thailand variant of Ernie Gearson and Buzine, Ryan Shields and Sparrowment, by the way. So yeah. So anyways, that's that out of the way. Let's get on with the specific video of this wonderful, beautiful metallic vehicle. So anyways, this guys, by the way, is sponsored by Clutch Aid. Wait, I'm gonna there we go. So this guy's names, by the way, is Dino or Dino Dravsky, whatever ways you want to pronounce his name. Dino Dravsky. So I actually ordered mainly the original one since it was so expensive online because it's out of the pack, its original package. Then they resell it online, probably Beloved Collector or so. This is actually a, so as you can see right there, from he's the Cars 3 stock car for Team Clutch Shade, as obviously after Kevin Racingtar retired after his big crash from Cars 1, which was obviously caused by Jake Hicks after he biffed Winford Bradford Rutherford, the RPM racer. So yeah, so anyways, here we go. Very nice smirking, determined to win type of expression, what I like to call it now. Sort of a nice word that I like invented myself. Clutch Shade Band-Aid sort of logo, covering like the wound. So you can see right there some bolts. There we go. But I am still looking forward though to in summary to get the original one instead of just the metallic one. Its contingency sponsors are Piston Cup, Vitaloin Revolting, RPM, Nitro Aid, Octane Gain, and Clutch Aid, which is his sponsor, number 121. Clutch Aid again. Black tires with white rims. I mean Lightyear tires with white rims. Then darker shade of blue which fades on to a much lighter shade of blue, as you can see right here, like most likely of a cloudy shade of sky blue. Maybe I must describe that. I guess like a cloudy shade of blue. So that's pretty much another Band-Aid again, as you can see right there. The back, which interests me the most about these old classic iconic stock cars from Cars 1 to Cars 3, which they have these, cameras to actually flash it on the television to be broadcasted on TV for the reporters such as Daryl Cartrip to broadcast it on the something like pretty to be broadcasted on TV or something like that. So yeah, exhaust pipes. Oh, number 121 again in green numbers at the back, which I didn't nearly actually realize. Clutch aid logo again, Band-Aid, the Band-Aid on 121, same as the other side. Clutch aid. Not to mention, he is also one of my favorite sponsors. Aside from who else? I'm blanking out. I don't know who would be my, because I don't know, all of these NASCAR type of vibes is stuck in my head. Some of the missing sponsors which they finally decide to return from the NASCAR series, which is nice. 121 again. Anyways, on the roof flaps, 121. And then Clutch aid, the back, Band-Aid, black window bars, and no clutch aid logo whatsoever on the spoiler. So pretty much so it. Comparisons now with his most likely a veteran, which is none other than Kevin Racing Tire. Battle of the Kevins, what they always say, between Kevin Racing Tire and Kevin Shipwright. Oh man, I screw up this time, folks. I'm so sorry. I keep on saying Kevin Racing Tire the whole entire video. This guy is Kevin Shipwright. Kevin Racing Tire is actually the shifty drug racer, not the clutch aid racer. So yeah. So can't huge difference. The tail lights. Oh, they also removed the 121 from the back tail lights. Red tail lights, and then some major minor differences still remains the white rims, and obviously your text on the tires, which always remains in every Piston Cup racer. We already know which the biggest improvement here is the logo is, which the biggest improvement here, one of the biggest improvements again is the logo. Turn from this which is most likely like a first aid kit some sort, to this, which most likely I prefer this a lot more. I mean, right over, I prefer this over 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 this guy right here, the next gen next gen Cloud Shade, which because like the colors and the, like, you know, in terms of the branding, it's like really attractive to me. So whatever. Then now the ultimate comparison between these two, veteran versus the next gen, which is I forgot his name, but he's like one of the very first releases of 2020. So yeah, very cool. Here he just pretty much has a cross, and then like that aqua green, sort of like limeish green, and then splosh with some like waterish soapy type of, I don't know how to describe that, but trust me, like, but it's pretty awesome. Like effects, I mean, not really necessarily one of my top favorite next gens, but still a nice one. I have my very honest opinions on that. It's not no ghost tech, isn't it? I think it is. I think it is no ghost tech, I believe. I think it is. Oh, kinda blanked out for a sec. So, huge improvements on this guy, rookie stripes. You all know what next gens are like, you know, with the same condensing sponsors whatsoever, the Piston Cup, Combustor, Carbon Cyber, and Synergy. You all know that. But trust me, oh no, the spoiler of mine is a bit bent, but it's fine. Clutch 8. And then some other comparisons by the way, this guy is from the Scavenger Hunt collection from the year 2018. So mainly, Cruise is also released first time also ever in that mainline in 2018, Scavenger Hunt, which I did not bother to pull her out because mainly we're only focusing on Piston Cup racers. So not Cruise, sorry, but yeah, whatever. First off is this like 2019 release of Metallic Rex Revler. (2019) release of Metallic Rex Revler, I meant. The color blues on this are slightly similar, but wait, should I turn on my lighting? I mean, there we go. I can't clearly. Yep, I think they're similar. There we go. first time I have never done that on video before. So yeah. The next stop is Ryan Shields, which is most likely of a teal turquoise color type of blue, instead of this more like darker shade of blue. I mean, yeah, so, and lastly we have is I just brought him in just for this video because we're referring to the scavenger hunt collection, which is this metallic Jonas Carvers. I mean, by the way, these two are 2020 releases, willing this one to be the first one to be released in 2020/2019. This one, 2019 era, mid 2019, I think. This is 2018. I was doing them by order. How nice is that? So anyways, that wraps up for this video again, folks. I guess see you again next time for another video, which would be probably on oh shoot, which would be probably on maybe, I don't know what would be my next video, but oh yeah, I already know what would be my next upload, but I don't know when, or maybe by when I would be uploading it, when would be the time that I'll be posting it. But promise me it's a surprise video, so it's pretty much it, I guess. So see you, I guess, soon for another video. So let me zoom out here. So again, this is Disney Pixar car. This is so again, this is Disney Pixar Cars fan saying peace.